Best electric bikes. Are you looking for the best electric bikes? In this video we will look at 5 of the best electric bikes on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. The 500W electric bike for seniors, featuring a 20 by 4-inch wheel design and fat tires, combines stability and convenience, making it a suitable option for seniors and anyone seeking a reliable, comfortable ride. Its 3-wheel structure, equipped with a 500W motor and powered by a 48 V12A removable battery, ensures a steady, powerful performance across various terrains, from urban streets to rugged mountain paths or sandy beaches. The Tricycle's large fat tires offer excellent traction and balance, which is especially beneficial for seniors who may prioritize stability over speed. This bike's 3-wheel configuration also allows for an intuitive riding experience, minimizing the need for constant balance adjustments compared to a 2-wheel bike. The bike's battery is removable, allowing for easy charging, either directly on the bike or separately, which is particularly convenient for seniors who may prefer not to carry the entire tricycle indoors. The 48 V12A capacity of the battery provides ample range for daily errands or leisurely rides, extending the utility of this bike to a variety of uses, including commuting or grocery shopping. One standout feature of this tricycle is its large cargo basket, providing significant storage space for carrying essentials, groceries, or recreational items. This cargo space is practical for those looking to run errands without needing a separate bag or car. Built with an emphasis on comfort and usability, this electric trike is designed to be easy to operate, with a user-friendly control system that includes throttle and pedal assist options. Seniors can customize their riding experience based on personal comfort and mobility needs, whether they prefer pedaling with assistance or relying more on the throttle for a hands-free ride. With its robust frame, this electric bike is built to support a range of body types and weights, adding to its appeal for seniors who might otherwise find standard bikes difficult to balance. The fat tires also contribute to shock absorption, enhancing ride comfort on uneven surfaces. This electric trike thus strikes a solid balance between power, stability, and practicality, making it a thoughtful choice for seniors seeking independence and mobility. Number 2. The outdoor electric bicycle, designed with a 20 by 4-inch fat tire tricycle structure, is a versatile and stable electric trike ideal for the elderly, as well as men and women of various ages looking for a reliable mode of transportation. This 3-wheel design, combined with a 500W brushless motor, makes it an ideal choice for riders who prioritize stability, ease of use, and safety. The powerful 500W motor allows the tricycle to handle various terrains, including urban roads, mountain trails, and even sandy or gravel paths, giving users the flexibility to enjoy a wide range of outdoor environments. Equipped with a 48 V12A removable battery, this electric tricycle ensures ample range for daily errands, leisurely rides, or short commutes. The removable battery offers the convenience of charging both on and off the bike, making it easier for users to manage charging without needing to move the entire bike. This feature is especially beneficial for elderly users who might find it challenging to move a full tricycle indoors. One of the key features of this trike is its fat tires, which provide better grip and stability on various surfaces. These wide tires enhance balance, making the ride smoother and safer, which is essential for elderly riders or anyone who prefers a more stable, secure biking experience. Additionally, the tires help absorb shocks from rough terrain, further enhancing comfort during rides. The bike also comes with a spacious cargo basket, making it practical for carrying essentials, groceries, or personal items, ideal for users who prefer to keep their hands free while biking. This feature adds to the bike's utility, making it well-suited for errands or carrying items on longer rides. Built for comfort and user-friendly operation, this electric trike offers both throttle and pedal assist options. Riders can choose between pedaling with assistance or using the throttle for a fully electric experience, making it accessible for individuals with varying fitness and mobility levels. Its sturdy construction and thoughtful design make it a reliable choice for seniors and anyone looking for a stable, powerful, and convenient mode of transportation. Number 3. The GERRIT Adult Fat Tire Electric Tricycle is a robust, versatile e-bike designed for urban riding, offering both stability and power. With a 24 by 4-inch fat tire design and a 3-wheel structure, this tricycle provides a reliable, smooth ride suitable for adults who prioritize comfort and balance. Its 750W brushless motor delivers ample power for city commutes or recreational rides, enabling the trike to navigate various terrains with ease, including paved roads, gravel, and light trails. This makes it a practical choice for riders who need a dependable, adaptable bike for diverse urban environments. The Tricycle is powered by a 48V15 removable battery, which provides a generous range, making it ideal for longer rides or multiple trips between charges. The removable nature of the battery is convenient for users who prefer to charge the battery separately, rather than moving the entire trike indoors. This feature, along with the trike's solid build and motor power, makes it particularly suited for adults who appreciate both performance and ease of use. One of the standout features of the GERRIT electric tricycle is its large-capacity rear basket, which enhances the trike's functionality by offering ample space for groceries, personal items, or even small luggage. This makes the trike an excellent choice for running errands or transporting essentials without the need for a backpack or additional storage solutions. The cargo basket adds significant utility, transforming the tricycle into a practical vehicle for everyday tasks. The 24x4-inch fat tires add stability and provide better traction on various surfaces, absorbing shocks and ensuring a smooth ride over bumps or uneven roads. This tire size, combined with the trike's three-wheel design, promotes a safe and comfortable ride for adult riders, especially those who value enhanced balance and reduced risk of tipping. User-friendly with both throttle and pedal assist options, the GERRIT Tricycle accommodates different riding preferences, from fully electric to assisted pedaling. Its sturdy design, powerful motor, and practical features make it a highly suitable option for adults seeking a stable, convenient, and powerful electric trike for urban use. Number 4. The 1500W Moped-style electric bike for adults is a high-powered, all-terrain e-bike, designed to handle diverse environments including mountains, snow, sand, and roads. Equipped with a 1500W motor, this bike can reach impressive speeds of up to 32 miles per hour, making it ideal for those seeking a thrilling, efficient commuting or recreational ride. The motor's powerful output provides enough torque to tackle steep inclines and challenging terrains, offering a versatile option for riders who enjoy a mix of urban and off-road adventures. The bike is powered by a 48V18 removable battery, which delivers an extensive range of over 60 miles on a single charge, depending on the riding mode and terrain. This range ensures that riders can comfortably complete long journeys without the need for frequent recharging. Additionally, the removable battery feature adds convenience, allowing users to charge the battery independently from the bike. This setup is beneficial for urban dwellers and outdoor enthusiasts alike, as it provides flexibility in charging and reduces downtime between rides. Designed with fat tires, this electric bike excels in providing stability and traction across various terrains. The tires enhance grip and balance, whether riding on loose sand, snow, gravel, or city streets. Fat tires also contribute to shock absorption, resulting in a smoother ride even over uneven surfaces. This makes the bike highly suitable for all-season use in rougher landscapes, catering to those who seek adventure beyond typical paved paths. Built in a moped style, the bike features a more upright seating position and increased comfort, making it suitable for longer journeys. Its sturdy frame and robust construction can handle the rigors of different environments while ensuring durability. The moped-style design also offers a comfortable riding experience with easy-to-use controls, ideal for adult riders of various skill levels. This 1500W e-bike combines speed, range, and rugged design to cater to a wide range of riding preferences, from daily commuting to exploring off-road trails. With its high-speed capacity, long-range battery, and all-terrain capabilities, it's a well-rounded choice for those looking for a reliable, versatile, and powerful electric bike. Number 5. The folding electric bike for adults, featuring a compact 14-inch frame and foldable design, is a practical choice for urban commuting and on-the-go lifestyles. Powered by a 750W peak motor, this bike achieves a top speed of 20 miles per hour, making it efficient for daily commutes and quick errands around town. The compact, foldable frame allows users to easily store or transport the bike, fitting conveniently in car trunks, small apartments, or workplaces, which adds flexibility for riders with limited space. Equipped with a 36V removable battery, the bike offers a range of approximately 40 miles using pedal assist system, PAS, providing ample distance for most urban commutes or leisurely rides. The removable battery adds a layer of convenience, as it can be detached for charging separately from the bike, making it ideal for those who prefer to charge at their home or office without moving the entire bike indoors. The 750W peak motor ensures responsive power, allowing the bike to handle slight inclines in city terrains with ease, while the 20 mph top speed keeps pace with urban traffic flow. This power level strikes a good balance for riders seeking a combination of speed and energy efficiency. Its 14-inch tires, though smaller, contribute to the bike's portability and compact structure, making it easy to maneuver in crowded areas or tight spaces. Built with a folding mechanism, this e-bike offers quick and easy foldability, making it convenient for public transport or storing in compact areas when not in use. This feature appeals especially to commuters who may need to combine cycling with other modes of transport or store the bike in limited spaces. The folding electric bike is designed to cater to adult riders looking for a convenient, low-maintenance solution for urban commuting. With its portable frame, decent speed, and practical battery range, it's an excellent choice for riders who prioritize flexibility, efficiency, and compactness in their daily commute. This foldable e-bike is a versatile option, allowing adults to navigate city life with ease, whether for work, errands, or recreation.